guys. We just woke up and got some breakfast. We're checking out of our hotel today, and we are headed to Khao Sok National Park. I think it's about a 4-hour journey or so to get there altogether. We have to take 2 ferries, and then we're going to have to find a cab or something to take us the rest of the way. So we'll see how it goes. We're staying at Time for Lime. For 33 bucks, I mean, this place is really nice. There's our room. It's really nice. It's got a little fridge. There's your bathroom. It's got a nice little sink, mirror, stuff where you can put your toiletries. This is the shower. And then this is it's like a combo Western Thai style toilet. So you use the bathroom first, then this is filled up with water. You take this and you scoop up some water and you flush it down the toilet like that. That's all you have to do. And of course you don't want to put your toilet paper in the toilet. Their sewage system is not that great, so you want to put it in the trash right here. And the lady comes and cleans it out every day. Also, this place has awesome AC. It's got a fan directly above the bed too, so definitely have been sleeping very comfortably here. And the mattress was really good. I slept great. What do you think, Eric?
Yeah, I mean, the room was great. We only had 2 cats, a lizard, a roach, and a beetle. Probably a bunch of ants. Other than that, it was paradise, man.
Yeah, we did have a roach come in, but it was the same one because it only had one antenna.
So we named him Lefty.
What did you call him? Lefty? Because he only had his left antenna. But he was in the shower room. That was kind of disturbing, and we kind of flushed him down the little drain that's in our floor. We sprayed using this nozzle, which you're supposed to spray your butt when you poop. That's for the toilet, but we sprayed him down the drain, and we thought we got rid of him, but we got back to the room. We were tired. We're still not quite transitioned over on the time zones yet, so we went to bed around 8 o'clock. We were super tired. I think Eric was already pretty much almost asleep, and then I saw the roach again. I was like, just freaking great. How am I supposed to sleep knowing there's a freaking roach in here? Like, what the heck? So I woke Eric up, and I tried to make him kill it, and he wouldn't. He was being a little punk, and he wouldn't kill it because he's afraid to kill bugs. So I had to kill it with my shoe. I was not very thrilled. I was pretty pissed off that I had to do it, but I got the job done, and he'll probably even come back from that. I mean, I don't even know if he was all the way dead. I mean, I smacked him pretty hard. I mean, you're living in a little bungalow here, so there are little holes like that, the drain that, I mean, they can get in, so I'm not faulting this place at all. I don't think it has anything to do with their cleanliness or anything like that. It's just part of Thailand, part of being in the jungle. I'm going to take you on a little trip to go fill up our water bottles. This place is also very eco-friendly, if you will. So they have these big bins of water that you can refill your water bottle for free, and it's safe to drink. Yeah, because you can't drink the tap water here, guys. You'll get sick. So let's go. Khao Sok National Park. So you guys, our hotel kind of messed us up. We were supposed to get a ferry over to Prong Nai, something like that, and she booked us a ferry to Alpu, which is the Phuket pier, and it was the wrong pier, so we're now 45 minutes farther away from Khao Sok National Park than we should have been. Hence, we have to now get a taxi to drive us the rest of the way, which we were going to do a Grab, which was 3,140 baht. But we bargained with one of the taxi guys at the pier, and we actually got it for 3,000. So it was actually pretty good deal compared to the Grab. So I mean, I definitely would negotiate first with the taxi drivers before you decide on just the Grab. Just to kind of use Grab to kind of get an idea on what you should be paying, and then see if you can get like just a slightly better deal on one. That's my advice. But we got the cab now. It's air conditioning. It's really nice. So we're about 2 hours away from our hotel at this point. This is our little room we finally got here. Super nice. Pool towels, fridge. Got drawers you can lock. There's a safety deposit box down there if you want to secure your stuff. Free complimentary waters. The AC is feeling really good. Got some coffee and tea over here. And the bathroom is here. Just kind of open to the outside a little bit. Cute little bowl sink. Got a hair dryer. Western style toilet. Sick shower, man. 6,000 for 3 nights. Which equals out per night to be like I think it's like 63 US dollars or something like that. But we had like a freaking fiasco with our cab driver. I swear, like, all this crap just like keeps happening to me. I don't understand what's going on lately. So we were so distracted from not getting off at the right pier that we actually didn't have enough money to pay our cab driver. It took us like 2 hours north to the park here, and as you could probably guess, a national park isn't going to have that many ATMs. And the crappy part is that all the ATMs, like, either they lost power here, or they just, I don't know. I've heard in Thailand that they turn the power off to a lot of places around, like, you know, the evening time, which it is now. So that may have happened where there was a power outage. I'm not sure, but basically we stopped at one ATM that was like right down the street from our hotel, and that one didn't work. And then I found one on my phone, so I directed him there. It was like a 3-minute drive, and that one didn't work. And I was like, oh no, what am I gonna do? And then Eric, brilliant man that he is, had a great idea to just come to the hotel to see if they could maybe charge my credit card on file, and then just give us cash. So they agreed to do that, no problem, no questions asked. I gave the cab driver like 300 baht extra just for his trouble. I could tell he was getting frustrated with us, but he was actually maintaining his composure pretty well. A lot better than I would have if I drove 2 hours out in the middle of nowhere. So problem solved. Now we're gonna go and relax. We haven't had lunch today, only little tiny snacks. So pretty hungry, didn't even really have a good breakfast. We kind of just rushed the whole day. So we're gonna try and find some food now. See you guys. You happy to eat, Eric? Sorry guys, so I filmed Eric's dinner, but I forgot to film mine because I was so freaking hungry. I freaking devoured it. He's like, you look like a hog. It's like just freaking great. These bugs here are like no joke. I'm like getting bitten up alive. So make sure when you come here, you bring mosquito repellent. I haven't really had to use any on the islands too much. We're out in the jungle now. It's a little different.